Dear listeners and viewers, hello, and today lesson number 4, present continuous, as I promised. Can you recognize the table? I hope you can. The same sentences and the same tenses, but pay attention, today we are going to speak about present continuous, and present continuous is in bold. So let's pay attention to the examples. He is doing his homework now. I am watching TV now. By the way, you can remember about simple present. He does his homework every day. Does he is not an auxiliary verb. Does it is do plus s. As you can remember, he, she, it, we use s with the verb. And I often watch TV, the pronoun I, so watch without any ending. I decided to start with the table showing us the difference when we use these two tenses, simple present and present continuous. So pay attention. Simple present for facts, laws of nature, permanent states, for example, the sun rises in the east. For regular actions, and we add the words, adverbs like usually, often, sometimes, rarely. Every day, for example, every week, I often write letters. And in conditionals of the first type, in if clauses, for the future, if I have a free time tomorrow, tomorrow, but if I have free time, have present simple, I will help you. Present continuous is used with the words like now, at the moment, look, I'm doing my homework now, and for temporary situations. We usually add the words like today, this week, this month, these days. They are fixing the fence these days. And pay attention, for two tenses, one more line is given, some other situations. So once more, simple present we use for permanent states, regular actions, habits, routines, and for conditionals of the first type. And present continuous we use for actions that are happening now or at the moment, or for the temporary situations. Once more, we usually add today, this week, these days. Hello, I have noticed a mistake. Of course, these days, yes, not this is, these. The formula of present continuous is to be plus verb with ing form. Do you remember to be? Am, is, are. So pay attention. I am watching ing form. He is, she is, it is watching. And we are, you are, they are watching. So once more, to be, am, is, are, and the verb plus ing form. Don't forget about it. One more table we've got used to. I think there is no need to give any comments to this table. Again, affirmative sentences, negative sentences, yes, no questions and answers to these questions, short answers, yes or no. Take as much time as you need, pause this video and just study this table once more. Again, pay attention to be, am, is, are, and ing form with the verb. How should we add this ing form? Mostly we just add these three letters ing: wash, washing, watch, watching, go, going, play, playing, study, studying. By the way, pay attention that in the verbs like study, this time we don't change y into I. In the second point, we can see that if the last letter was E, the vowel E, then we omit it. Live, living, take, taking, care, caring, without this last letter. And the last line shows us that if there is the combination of three letters, consonant, vowel and consonant letter in one syllable verbs, then we should double the last letter. Swim, swimming, stop, stopping, run, running. One more thing that it's necessary to remember about speaking about present continuous. Stative verbs. Verbs that express not the actions but states. Five groups: to be, then the words for possession: have, belong, own, senses: see, hear, smell, taste, seem, perception: know, believe, think, understand, remember, and feelings and emotions: love, like, hate, enjoy, want, wish. There are lots of the words, but if you can remember these five groups: to be, possession, senses, perception, and feelings and emotions, then it will be easier for you to understand which words are stative verbs. And if we have stative verbs, then we use present simple with them, not present continuous. Try to remember. And one more thing I would like to add on this slide. It is about some words or verbs that can be used in present continuous if they are a part of collocations. For example, the verb have. Yes, we can say have lunch, have breakfast, have dinner, have supper, have a shower, have a bath, or take a shower, take a bath. And these are actions. These are not states. So in this situation, if have a part of collocation, then it can be also used in present continuous. And some other words can be the part of phrasal verbs. For example, look for, or some other words. And in this situation, they are also actions. For example, look for means you are trying to find something. So the same, yes. If this verb is used with a particle, then it can be used, yes, if it is an action, it can be used in present continuous. For example, I'm looking for, I don't know, I'm looking for my pen, yes? Or we are having lunch now, and it means that we are eating now, yes? So also present continuous. And the task today is not just fill in the gaps, but to choose the correct item or to choose the correct form of the verb, present simple or present continuous. Pause the video, take your time, and try to understand and remember everything. Don't forget about the stative verbs, and don't forget about the situations when we use present simple and when we use present continuous. Time for checking. We are going to the cinema now. Do you want? Want is a stative verb. Look, it is raining outside. Again now. What are they talking about? Now. I really don't know. Know is a stative verb. I have a bike. It's a stative verb, possession. We are having lunch. Here it is collocation. So we are having. We can use it in present continuous. Thank you for watching. Bye. See you next time.